Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the straight-legged Baki pose, guys. I did this in a dance video and it hit over 80 million views. My most viral video ever on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. This is my most viral video. And you guys are going to be learning how I did it. So, in the video I actually do a planche into a handstand. I'll be teaching that in another YouTube video. Don't worry about that, okay? We're gonna be doing just the straight-legged Baki pose, all right? You guys ready? So what you're gonna do, first step, you're gonna take your hand, reach out like this. Whatever's your most dominant, strongest hand or arm, boom. And then you're gonna slide it into place like this in the middle of your stomach, just like that, all right? After that, you're gonna bring it to the ground. Make sure your elbow is in your belly button. Boom. Go down to the ground. Place your elbow in the middle of your stomach, right next to your belly button. All right? All right, now you're gonna have your left hand or right hand, whatever is your least dominant hand, reach out in front of you, like so. Alrighty. Next hand should be directly underneath you. This is for balance. Alright? Now, I want you to slowly elevate your body up like this. Alright? If you guys got to this part of the video, comment below. I did it.
He did it! I did it! Atrocity is back!
Alright, now you're going to place your head on the ground. Boom. You're going to lift. Just like that. Guys, that is the baby freeze, okay? You need to know how to do that before you get into the one with no hands, all right? Let's go. So, all right, guys, now, after that, if you have the baby freeze, what you're going to do is now you're going to put your legs straight. You're going to make them straight like this, okay? And now I want you to put your head on the ground and lift. Okay? That's the next step. And what we're going to do is we're going to piece both of those together. All right? Just like glue. All right? So the first one, baby freeze. Second one, baby freeze with the legs together. All right? Now, what we're going to do is the baby freeze without the head on the ground. Okay? Do. Alright, guys, make sure, if it does hurt, make sure you take a break, because this does put a lot of pressure on the wrists. Alright? So, you know, you're going to have to do some exercises, whatever. Get a dumbbell if you need to, and lift them weights up. Get them nice and strong. Alright, your wrist should look like your thighs by the time you're done exercising. No, I'm playing. Imagine, that would be crazy. What the heck? All right, so boom, you're gonna go down like this, and now once you find your balance point, after you're done lifting up, you're gonna let go. Okay, guys, it's gonna be hard. I'm not gonna lie. This one's gonna take some practice. But find your balance point. Believe in you. The force is strong with you. Okay. After that, you're gonna slowly bring your legs together. Alright, guys? So, gonna go back down. Boom. Lift up. And slowly bring them together. All right, and then that's how you do the straight-legged Baki pose, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, I hope you guys got it. It's not easy. It's not easy. Comment below what you guys had trouble with. I'm gonna answer all y'all comments. Let's try to get this video up to 20K likes. I think we can do 20K likes, right? Let's get 20K likes. I got more tutorials coming for you guys. Let's get it.